What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. This is just a quick announcement video that there is going to be an Atomic City Sidewalk swap and sale this Sunday, August 31st. It starts at 8 a.m. hosted by our favorite local model shop, Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource. They're gracious enough to put on this free swap meet. So this is a 100% free swap meet, free to set up. Just bring your own table and chairs, set up in the parking lot, and you're good to go. There is definitely a good crowd, good conversations, good group of guys that come and have been setting up. It's definitely becoming a good local swap meet, and it's good for the local hobby community. So come on down to Atomic City Sidewalk Swap and Sale this Sunday. It starts at 8, 1964 Woodman Center Drive, Kettering, Ohio. So if you live nearby and you've never been to Atomic City and you live maybe an hour away, definitely come on down. It's worth the drive. There will be a lot of good stuff outside and definitely a lot of goodies inside. The shop opens up at 11, so you definitely don't want to miss it. And here's a little preview of some of the stuff that is going to be there. Got a sneak peek of what somebody's going to be bringing, so definitely stay tuned to check that out. So I'm definitely looking forward to seeing some new faces this weekend at the Atomic City Sidewalk Swap and Sale. Hopefully I see you guys there. Again, if you've never been to Atomic City or you've never seen any of my videos and you are local, definitely check out Atomic City Rod and Custom Model Car Resource and give them a follow on Facebook. They post new things that they're getting into the boneyard. They post built-ups and things like that they have for sale, and when they have deals and sales going on. So definitely give them a follow. Great group of guys working there and owners, very knowledgeable in the hobby, and they'll help you get started. If you've never built a model before, they'll be able to tell you everything you need, and they'll be able to help you out. So hopefully I see you guys there. Thank you guys for checking out this video. Again, the Atomic City playlist will be at the end if you've never seen any of my videos and you've never seen the Atomic videos. And the last Sidewalk Swap and Sale video that I went to will be in there as well. So hopefully I see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.
This show is brought to you by The Family. Thank you. Like and subscribe.